overjoyed. If there is very great difficulty coming in his life, he does not become disturbed or saddened by that. Na sochati, na kankshati. There is no lamentation, no regretting about this or that, and there is no desires, no hankering, na kankshati. And in that pure state of Brahman realization, that I am Brahman, I am transcendental soul, Atma, consciousness, then sama sarveshu bhuteshu. He sees all the living beings within this material world. That means in any species of life, whether they are in the human form, or they are in an animal species, or even in plant, insect, aquatic, birds, he sees sama. Sama means equally. He doesn't see any distinction between one living being and another, because he understands that within that particular body, the Atma is there, the pure Jivatma, the pure soul. So Krishna describes that the person who comes to this level, Brahma Bhuta, who has this transcendental Brahma Gyan, full knowledge of transcendence, of the transcendental nature of his soul. So that person, Krishna says, Mad Bhaktim Labate Param. That person attains my supreme bhakti, Param Bhakti. He attains my bhakti. So it appears that this is the highest goal, sadhya. Now he has come to the point of bhakti, Param Bhakti. But yet, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, upon hearing this suggestion, again he tells, Eho Bahya Age Kaho Ar. This is still external. You should still speak further. I want to hear more. And why he's telling? Because there is Gyan Mishra. There is a mixture of knowledge. And this mixture of knowledge means that the devotion to Krishna is not 100% pure and spontaneous. In the pure state of the soul, it is completely free from any tendency towards Gyan, towards liberation. This Gyan Mishra is not speaking of transcendental knowledge of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and His qualities, name, form, pastimes, and such. But it is speaking of this impersonal Gyan. So in that state, it is still not the true nature of the soul, because the soul cannot properly serve the Supreme Lord when there is this understanding, this calculative understanding of the Brahman state of the soul. Without understanding the pure position of Param Brahma, and without understanding how to serve that supreme absolute truth with pure devotion, devoid of Gyan, one cannot attain the final sadhya, the final goal of life. So therefore, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, speak further, I want to hear more.
Somewhat not clear. No? There are two kinds of Mayavadi. No? Brahmavadi. One kind of Brahmavadi, both they want to be Brahma. Both they want to be Brahma. But one living in Vrindavan, and they don't do any kind of offense to Bhagavat or Krishna or devotees. They have some respect. And those who are in Haridwar and Kashi and other places, they are dead against of bhakti. They don't accept the transcendental body of Krishna. They don't follow Bhagavat, these pastimes of Krishna. So they are offender, really. So, those who are offender, they will go to hell and they will may have attained after long, they may attain Brahmapada. And this is that they cannot never have any bhakti in whole life. this is a scene. Like. But those who are in Vrindavan, they don't criticize Bhagavatam, they don't criticize Krishna, and don't criticize Vaishnava. Anyhow, Krishna arranged that some high class of devotees, they have association. And by that association, what becomes? Vishwanath Chakravarti has told that these high class of devotees give them the seva vasana in very small quantity, very quantity. Like there is a heap of mustard seed, some yellow, round, very small. Make a round like that, sarso seed, a gold also. And keep it in the heap of mustard oil seed. Both are like same because yellow. But if fire will be given, then whole mustard seed will burn, and by the air they will all, and only that gold will be there. So in good association, that Brahmavadi, if he has a vasana of Krishna service, even small, then if in the association of high class of Vaishnava, it develops and it turns into prema bhakti, then otherwise not. Not by Brahma Gyan, it will come Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Mad Bhakti, not like this, direct, but by this process they can have. But Mahaprabhu rejected. He doesn't want that any kind of mixture of Gyan should be. Tat Gyan, Tvam Gyan, and Jiv Brahmaita. Any kind of Gyan that should be. Bhakti is fully independent. If a man is so lusty, and great sinner, even he is qualified for bhakti, even at that time. Ajami was great sinner, drunkard. He killed so many persons. But name is so powerful.
Valmiki in first line.
Valmiki in first line. Vishnu. So here Mahaprabhu rejected only if it is any dependence of bhakti is not there. Bhakti is Sarupānubandhi, bhakti should be there. So Mahaprabhu rejected it. And then what he told? Gyan Sunya Bhakti. And Mahaprabhu told, oh, you hold here. Gyane Prayasamudapasya Namante Jivanti Sanmukharitam Bhavadiyavartam Thane Stita Tanmanam Prayaso Jit. Be situated where you are. In Varna or Ashram, in place where Harikatha is going on, come there. Do pranam to who is telling Harikatha, or who is arranging to them. To that place you should do Dandavat. And that place also, and Harikatha too. You should do Dandavat pranam to all, and by tongue, by mind, and by speech. Oh, very good Harikatha. This speaker is old, very good speaker. In this way, then what will come? Sadhan bhakti will come, then bhav bhakti will come, and prema bhakti will come. Mahaprabhu told here. But go on, and then he told two slokas. If you have Siddha, appetite and thirst, then you can feel happy and satisfaction by taking any kind of simple water, and only shock will do. Chapati only will do, dry chapati. But if I have no hunger and thirst, no use. So there should be love, affection. Then he will. There are so many points in this. And next he told, Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavitamati Priyatam Kutapiti Labdate Tata Laulyamapi Mulyame Kalam Jivan Putis. Anyhow, if you can buy low means greed, to serve Krishna in any of the Ragatmik Bhakta, Dasya Sakha Vatsalya Madhu, at once buy. It cannot be bought by lakhs and lakhs Sukritis of lakhs and lakhs birth. Sukriti will not. By Sukriti you will have Bhakta, and by Bhakti you will have Bhakti. General Vaidhi Bhakti. But Raganuga Bhakti, Mahaprabhu told, yes, go on. And then he told, Dasya. Mahaprabhu was satisfied, but not fully satisfied. And then he told, more, go on. Then he told, Sakya. Oh, very good, Sarvasadhyasa. But go on. Then he told, Vatsalya. Oh, very good, very sweet. It has all the qualities of Shanta, Dasya, Sakya, and more one. What? From Shanta, Nishtha, Krishnaika Nishtha. From Dasya to Sarva Krishna. And Sakya, Vishambhava. No hesitation and all these things. And a special what? To Krishna Taran Bharsan. Vatsalya Bhav. This is. And more Gopi Bhav. It has four qualities of what we have told. And more Nijanga Diya Kare Nasivan. By his whole body, all the limbs of the body is reserved. Who can do? Only Gopi. But not even Jashoda Gopi. She can. Only Gopi. Who are in Parthya Bhav. Brajavasis, Brajaramani, those who are Parakhiya Bhav. Only they can. Mahaprabhu told, oh, go on more. Oh, in this world there are none to ask this. And then, again he asked, then he told, Radhika mode is most highest among all. Oh, yes. Then he asked four questions. Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, Rasa Tattva, and Vilas Tattva. When he was giving an example of Vilas Tattva, then Mahaprabhu stopped at once. Don't tell anything. Because in this world there are no qualified person that who can hear. And secondly, my Krishna mood will come if you will tell no. And we'll know, oh, that I am Krishna. And I want to test the three modes, I can. Srila Prabhupada has told that in this world there are very few qualified persons. Openly should not be told. If you have greed and you have some realization, only discuss this with only qualified persons. Like Mahaprabhu was testing it with Radhamanand Sarup Damodar. Only. Sometimes Sikhimaji and Adha half Madhvi Devi. But you should know, Madhvi Devi was old of 84, 85. And Choto Haridas went there and brought a very Sugandhi, fragrant rice. Govinda Bhog rice. Mahaprabhu told, from where you collected? Oh, Choto Haridas has brought from Madhvi Devi. Oh, Madhvi Devi, he has done? Rejected him. A lady asked me, why we cannot come in walking time of you? We want to follow you at the time of walking. She should also know this fact. Mahaprabhu was sannyasi. No? And he what did? Kaster Putali Kuha. If you see a naked, even wooden puppet of ladies, you can give up everything. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always careful himself. When Devdasi was singing, he ran away after him. But Govind saved him. Oh, lady singing. He told that, oh, if you have not cared me, then I would have jumped into ocean and given my life. Why? We don't think ladies inferior. They should not think like that. Swami Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, at the time of walking, he had taken so many ladies with him? Never. Any sannyasi. So it is not that they are thinking that they are inferior. We think that ladies are more superior than. So, being a what? Male, in inner heart, we think that we are gopi, lady, secret bhajan. So don't think inferiority and all this. It is for each other. We should obey the rules and regulations, and that is why those who don't follow and they thought that we are Siddha now, and they mix with ladies, they left their sannyas, not only one, hundreds and hundreds. So we should each other be very careful. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Radhamanand his own poetry. Pahila hi raag, nayan bhang. In a one moment, without any mediator, when our two eyes and two eyes met, in a moment it came. Now, in separation, I am telling you, to whom? Separation rule. That now you should be duty. Tell him that how cruel he has been. He has forgotten everything. So you should go and remember him. Or so many things. Mahaprabhu said. He can be satisfied and bas, not.
No more. This duty is Kamdev, or this duty is Vipralamba Bhav.
Vipralamba Bhav.
This duty.
Yes, not all. And told that now you, separation mood, you should be duty. And tell him. Very pathetic and very high class. No other in any scripture of any of whole world, even Devalok and Anilok, when they are only Srimad Bhagavatam. So if Bhagavat is there, everything is there, nothing is lost. And if Bhagavat is not there, then Gaur Pranam. One minute. That will be fresh. Very soft.
No, I present.
Huh? No. No. ना अच्छा रुका very good man.
Hare Krishna. Whoever taken second initiation, they after class they can collect the offering seat from Sripad Damodar Maharaj, and they can bring their bhiksha. Whoever taken initiation and attend fire sacrifice, they can bring their bhiksha and offer to Gurudev. So whoever taken second initiation after class from Damodar Maharaj, they can collect their offering seat. How to offer bhoga to deities is written here. If you can understand, then can ask any your superior.
We'll announce now the names for all the devotees who have received initiation. If we call out your name, please stand up. Shri Gurudev will announce your new transcendental name. Suresh Ambuga received Diksha. Gurudev has changed his name. Is here.
Shubha Krishna Brahmachari. Shubha Krishna Brahmachari ki jai. So I remember that Shubha.
Krishna Ram Raho receiving Diksha. Also Gurudev giving new name.
Krishna Kanta. Mahaprabhu should be here.
Also receiving Diksha, Binayak Rao Ramgiri.
Vinay Krishna Das.
And the two children, Balaram and Krishna. Balaram and Krishna are here.
Balram Das ki Krishna Das ki jai and Krishna Das ki.
Receiving Harinam, Prayot, Krishna Mirachkar.
Ram Kishore Prabhu ki. Krishna.
Receiving Diksha, Harsarani Devidasi. Please stand up.
Harsrani ki jai.
Receiving Diksha, Ragalata Dasi.
Raglata Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam Diksha, Radha Shama Sundar Das.
Radha Shyam Sundar Das ki jai.
Lalita Gopi Dasi receiving Harinam and Diksha.
Lalita Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Diksha, it says here, what name? Ulrich Peter Klusen. Harinam and Diksha.
What name?
Uttam Krishna.
Uttam Krishna Prabhu ki jai.
Receiving Harinam, Ayla Cox.
Anuradha Devi ki jai. Anuradha.
Receiving Harinam, Touch Peter Barlow.
Tarun Kishore ki jai. Tarun Kishore.
Receiving Harinam, Lalit Kishori Dasi.
Lalit Kishori Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam, Caroline Amberwood.
Chandrakanta. Chandrakanta Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam, Lisa Kiddle.
Lasika. Leska Dasi ki jai.
Nicole Hoy receiving Harinam.
Nagari Devi ki jai.
Receiving Diksha, Suchandra Dasi.
Suchandra Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam, Jarrod Taylor.
Jaydev Prabhu ki jai.
Receiving Gopal Mantra Hari Priya Dasi from Horwick, Auckland.
Haripriya Dasi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam,
Haripriya. Same name.
Brinda Devi.
Brinda Devi ki jai.
Receiving Diksha, Shama Sundar Das Prabhu.
श्याम सुंदर प्रभु की।
Receiving Harinam, Yadu Harley, the son of Yadu. Your boy's name Yadu, eh? Yadu. Yadav.
यादव और हाँ और जदुनाथ
Also receiving Harinam, Nadia Harley.
नदिया नदिया प्रभु की जय।
Receiving Harinam, Draupadi.
और द्रौपदी की जय।
Receiving Harinam, Krishna Das.
कृष्णदास प्रभु की जय।
Receiving Gopal Mantra, Sushila Simpson, Sushila.
सुशीला देवी की जय।
Receiving Harinam, Radha Pran Das.
राधा प्राण दास की जय।
Receiving Harinam, Padma Mona Lisa Buckley.
जय श्री दासी की जय। या जया मल्ली जया मल्ली बी विक्टोरियस।
Receiving Diksha, Kripa Das Prabhu.
कृष्ण कृपादास। Then that same name. कृपादास।
Receiving Harinam, Bruce Stevenson.
बलभद्र प्रभु की।
Also receiving Harinam, the brother of Rupa, Narayan Hamdi.
नवकिशोर प्रभु।
Lokishore Navakishore. Receiving Harinam, Minal Lodia.
मोहिनी देवी की जय।
Receiving Gopal Mantra, Meena Raniga. Meena Dasi.
मीना देवी दासी की जय।
Receiving Diksha, Anita Ramagiri.
अनीता दासी की जय।
And then one announcement for all the assembled devotees. This is the 9th time we have come to Muvilambar in this
Ninth time.
9th time. So all of you are invited to come to Badger, where we will come for the 10th time. Also in Houston and in Holland, we will be for the 10th anniversary. Next year, if you again invite Shri Gurudev, then we will be here for the 10th time.
I also invite you all for Braj Mandal Parikrama in Vrindavan. If you can come. Oh, I am requesting Sajjan Maharaj to be here and to help devotees. So you should listen him and back him.
One announcement, tomorrow morning, Shri Gurudev will leave. Yeah, we're all very sad. When we came in, it was raining, and we were very happy. Already the nursing starts coming, all start to cry when Gurudev comes. So tomorrow, don't cry. You can come to Brisbane there will be one program in the airport. On Tuesday afternoon, 2 o'clock, we'll leave from the airport and all are welcome to have darshan of Srila Gurudev in the airport. Yeah. Tomorrow is rest day, so please we request you to respect that.
And they can put their picture. Yes.
Now everyone who was leaving 3:30. Yes. All the devotees who have collected bhiksha after the yajna, they can bring.
Mahaprabhu should come.
Yeah, Mahaprabhu was here.
Mahaprabhu should come and he will stand up. I'm very happy that you have managed so beautiful this festival. All are satisfied. No complaints against anything. All are satisfied. So, I want to give my blessings to all those who have supported this festival. And Sriman Mahaprabhu will announce the names who has helped in this record. And you should tell the names and give them dhanyavad.
Vanji Kalpatrupas Chakti Pasamudya Chapatitanam Paramanyo Vaishnavi Namo. I should have brought my translator with me, but if anyone can understand anything, ask Janavi to stand up. She'll translate into English for you. Well, we've got a long list, so we'll be here till 10:30. Hope you don't mind. I'd like to give a special mention. I'm going to mention many devotees specifically, but I'd like to give a special mention to the devotees who have led the community over the last few years and who are still here tonight and who had a very important role in making the festival a big success. Specifically, Dinabandhu and Premananda Prabhus. And a special mention to Rajabalva and Mekhala for providing a great deal of spiritual leadership and an exceptionally hard worker, a quiet achiever who really made this festival a big success was Jaya Beta Prabhu. And among the decoration team, we had a very dedicated, hard-working group of ladies, Gopali. Praja Kishori was here. She was working almost to the point of dropping from exhaustion. Sulata was working very hard. She was working long hours. Yoga Maya, Sumukhi and Nandini. Chandramukhi, Ragaleka. You probably have the best prasadam of any festival in the world. Thanks to Samadeva. Saptapa Mishra, very good cook. Also in the kitchen we have working very hard behind the scenes Madan Mohan. And also Dhananjaya Prabhus, Jagadish, Devananda, Induleka also, and Madhava's son Ram. And the setup of the festival, again many quiet achievers working behind the scenes who helped to make this festival a success. Sival Krishna Prabhu, Lalit Krishna, very dependable devotee, Vamsi Prabhu, Paramananda Puri, Rasa Vihari also.
And who is controlling sound?
And Sulabha Prabhu and Dhruva. Oh, sorry. Right. I made a terrible mistake here in the sequence. I should have offered our thanks and appreciation to Srila Gurudev for his kindness and compassion.
Padmanabh Maharaj.
Madhava Maharaj.
Magician Kamal Krishna.
Srila Gurudev King.
Why you are not telling Mahaprabhu?
I'm coming. No, they're coming. No, finish. Special. 1 hour to go. Special mention here for some very hard workers who helped to make the festival a success. Again, pot washers are working till sometimes 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. Madhava. Neil, also Malati is another hard worker. Baladev Prabhu, Murali Mohan, Chaitanya Chandra. And now a special mention to the devotees who have really re-established the community again. That's Leela Sukh Prabhu, Purnath, and Chandrapola. And also a special mention for Dr. T for making us laugh so much.
I like disciples like Tamal Krishna.
Stoka Krishna also for taking the videos, and he's going to produce these videos and make them available for the devotees. Shamarani also especially.
I want to give my hearty blessings to Mathuranath and Mathura that they have purchased one building and they have given it to our trust, and now it is called Giriraj Gaudiya Math.
Shri Gurudev.
Leela Su, always helping. I am requesting them all to help what much? Giriraj Gaudiya Math. That is should be a very ideal math, and I also want a school should be established. I know that there are so many qualified ladies and persons. They can do like Beja school and ideal school. So keep in mind that in future we should do.
Can I make one special mention also of one devotee who's undergone an immense amount of difficulty to come here tonight. She's one of the most loved members of our community, Kurunamai.
Dance also?
Now we have a dance, and Madhava Prabhu is having a
That one.
And a special thanks for Mahaprabhu, Prabhu ki jai.
Make it place.
Sundays on the road, bring Krishna to us all. All glory to Samarvati.
Called Vrindavana Nilayana. Radha tells of Vrindavan, the beautiful forest where Krishna they spent many happy years together. She tells how Krishna's beauty is so magnificent that even the moon is put to shame. The sensual emotion of love, Sringara, emanates from his being and shines in his beautiful face. He is the divine flutist, and while playing intoxicating melodies, he dances with the gopis, the friends of Radha. He is the gorgeous son of Vasudev and Devaki, the adorable little boy of Nanda and Yashoda. He is Mukunda, the lifter of Govardhan Hill. Govinda, the cowherd boy, and the one who danced on the head of the serpent Kalinga. These are Radha's descriptions of her beloved Krishna. presenting Vrindavan Nilayai.
Very good. Thank you for this song. Bhartiya Natyam.
Well, I don't know what happened to worst first. What you're actually going to see is a manifestation of Gurudev's mercy. He knows I'm too useless to do any real service, but he kindly accepts my foolishness.
Or you should all sit down.
Yes. Here we go. Maybe you can all help by chanting along. Baba दो नंबर है।
गुरुदेव की जय। श्रील भक्ति विनोद गोस्वामी महाराज की